This brand is made in Mexico by International Comfort Products LLC, which is a part of Carrier Global Corporation, and the furnaces are only available through dealers in the USA and Canada. The brand is backed by a pretty good guarantee, but they use aluminized steel primary heat exchangers which resist corrosion but are not as durable as brands that use stainless steel. The units use hot surface ignition, which is quieter and more reliable than brands that use spark ignition. The N92MSN models are basic 92% AFUE efficient single-stage gas furnaces with constant torque blower motors, but the guarantee on their heat exchanger is not as good as most other brands, while the N96MSN models have a 97% AFUE efficiency and have a lifetime heat exchanger guarantee. The N96VSN models are basic single-stage gas furnaces with a variable speed blower motor for quieter and more efficient operation. The G96VTN Ion Series models are premium two-stage furnaces with a 96% AFUE efficiency, a variable speed inducer motor, and the ability to communicate with the rest of the home's HVAC system to maximize comfort and efficiency. The Ion Series G97CMN models are ultimate furnaces with all of the features of the G96VTN models, except they have modulating gas valves instead of two-stage valves. The premium and ultimate units include no-hassle unit replacement in case of heat exchanger failure within the designated period, as well as Wi-Fi-enabled remote access for monitoring and adjustment when paired with the Ion system control. This brand receives an overall 3-star budget pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your thoughts and experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and God bless.